In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive Sendwave Bangla. Before you receive any money, make sure both the sender's Sendwave account and your own account are verified. This is required for security and to comply with regulations, and it helps prevent delays. If you're not verified yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through it quickly. Open your Sendwave app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account settings. From there, select Verify Account. You'll be asked for your full name and date of birth. Enter them exactly as they appear on your official ID to avoid any mismatches. Next, select the purpose of your account, then tap Finish. You'll see a prompt to continue. Go ahead and tap that. Now choose your country and then select the type of document you'll use for verification. Common options include a passport or national ID. Tap Continue, and if you're asked to continue again, confirm that as well. When you're ready, tap Start to begin capturing your document. Place the ID on a flat surface with good lighting, avoid glare, and make sure all corners are visible. Hold your phone steady, then submit the photo when the image looks clear. After that, you'll be asked to start recording to verify your face. Tap Start. Keep your face centered and follow any on-screen prompts. Wait until the recording completes. Once that's done, your verification submission is complete. Processing can take a short while, so keep your app notifications on. Now it's time to choose your receiving option. In Bangladesh, Sendwave transfers are sent through bKash, which means you can receive money directly into your bKash mobile wallet. This is fast and convenient once your Sendwave verification is approved. To receive the transfer, share your bKash number with the sender. Double check that your bKash account is active and registered in your name, and make sure the number is correct before you send it. The sender will use that number to complete the transfer to your wallet. Once the sender confirms they've sent the money, simply wait for the transfer to arrive. Transfers are typically quick, but timing can vary depending on verification and network conditions. If you followed these steps, verification completed, the correct country and document selected, and your bKash number shared accurately, you're all set to receive Sendwave transfers in Bangladesh smoothly.